Okay, so I'd like to do a demonstration of how to use Google Drive to submit files and save a lot of your documents from your iPad up onto the Google Drive website. So first thing we're going to do is open up Google Drive, and you'll press the sign in button, and you'll log in with your dawsonstudents.org email address and your regular password for email. So once you've got your username and password typed in, you can press the sign in button, and hopefully you're going to get logged in and see this type of setup. Now you can see I've got a few folders I've created. I've got a math folder, a technology folder, and a place where I like to put digital artwork that I've posted. The great thing about Drive is that you can post any type of file that you've made on your iPad onto the Drive. You can also access your Drive files from a computer, whether it's a Mac or a PC. So if we press digital sketchbook, you're going to get to see a lovely picture that I made of a crazy giant teacher. I think I made this image in ArtRage, and then I used the Google Drive app to upload it. The best thing about Google Drive, there it is, the best thing about Google Drive is that you can upload an image, a video, and many different types of documents, including keynotes, pages, PowerPoints, and things like that. Let's say I wanted to upload another image into my digital sketchbook. All I would do is press the plus sign in this top right corner here. I'm going to choose to upload a photo or video, and this will access my camera roll and any other events that I've got synced to the iPad. So let's say I want to upload this picture of my children at a pumpkin patch. You can tell that it's uploading right now because I see this little spinning cog wheel right here. And momentarily that file is going to show up down here under Files. It's not a folder, it's a file. I'd like to actually put that into my digital sketchbook. So I'm going to press this arrow to the right-hand side. And then I'm going to press the Share button up here and choose to move it to my digital sketchbook. And I'm going to hit Move here, and yes. The next thing I just noticed that inside my digital sketchbook, I didn't actually name this photo with anything useful. I want to know what this file is. So again, I can press the arrow to the right-hand side. I can push the Share button, and I can choose to rename this something more useful. I'm going to call it Pumpkins. And again, if I want to view that, all I have to do is tap on it, and there's my image. Now let's say I wanted to actually share this to another student or a teacher. You can see I've shared this with Miss Heberbrand down here. If I wanted to share this to another teacher, perhaps Mr. Bott, I could press the plus button. I could type in his name. And his email address, actually. And I can give the privileges to edit, comment, or view on this. I'm just going to let him view it. And I'm going to press Add. And now Mr. Bott would have access to this also. So that's a really nice feature of Drive. Now let's say you want to actually upload a keynote. A lot of times people have made large keynote presentations and they don't have any way to turn it into the teacher because it's too big to email. So now once you're on iOS 6 and you have Drive, you can go into an app like Keynote. And let's just take my parent night presentation, and I'm going to go ahead and open it. Then I'm going to go up here, and I'm going to choose to share or print it. I'm not going to print it. I'm going to open it in another app. And it's going to give me the choice to keep it as a Keynote, change it to a PDF, or even make it into a PowerPoint. In this case, I like to keep it as a Keynote, because someday I might want to download it again from my Drive and edit it some more in Keynote. So I'm going to press Keynote. And now I get to choose where I want to put it. I'm going to tell it I want it to open it in Google Drive. You also could do this to Dropbox. And yes, I would like to upload it. And again, you're going to see a little bit of spinning going on here or here. I think if I click Uploads, I'll actually even get to see the uploading process. So this allows you to upload a much larger file to the Google Drive website and then just share it to the teacher instead. So let's go back to my Drive. And notice that it does retain the title that I had made in Keynote, but again, I want to put it into a certain folder. So I'm going to click my right-hand arrow, I'm going to choose Move To, and let's put this into Technology, and you'll notice I have a bunch of subfolders. This is the presentation, and I think I actually already have this in here anyway, but I'll push Move here, and now that file is located inside of Technology, inside of Presentations. And again, the best thing about this is that I could download this later if I needed to, and I could also give access to other people who might want to see it. If I wanted to open this, let's say I put it up onto my Google Drive and it got deleted from my Keynote app for some reason, I should be able to press this button here. I'm sorry, that's not what I would want to do, just kidding. I actually would want to try to open the Keynote. And now it's going to try to load that file. Now Google Drive doesn't actually play Keynote presentations, so it shouldn't open in this app. Theoretically, this should give me the option to open it back in Keynote again. Let's see if that happens. So it says it's unable to open the file. That's what I expected. But if I tap this button here, I can choose Open In, and I can open it again in Keynote. Again, the only purpose of doing this would be if you didn't have it in Keynote anymore. Now I'm going to basically create a duplicate of something that was in Keynote. So anyway, that's the way you can use Google Drive to upload files from your iPad. This works with many apps. I've used this with Keynote, Pages, Numbers. I tried it with Book Creator the other day. It may not work in every app that you're using, but many of the apps that we have on the iPad, if you've created a large file or video, you can upload to your Google Drive. Thanks for watching.